You go to the beach, you want to play with the waves, but
College
you
lecturer.
don't want to get wet fully. You still can do and enjoy the waves by running around and jumping over the waves as I do. See? And when big wave comes, you will wait a little bit and jump over it. Jump. Done. And jump. Jump. Next wave. Done. Jump over it. Jump over it. Jump over it. So, you can still save your dog. Of course, you can have to get wave. But still, you can enjoy the wave and play with the wave. You don't need to submerge underwater your full body. You still can enjoy the beach. You still can enjoy the wave. You can play with the wave. Have a good time on the beach.
వేవ్స్ పెరిగినాయి, స్ట్రాంగ్ అయింది. ఈవినింగ్ అయ్యే కొద్దీ పెరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది.